Hello, my name's Stanley. Today, I'll tell you about a strategy that was born by accident. During a test, I mixed up the indicator settings and the result was phenomenal. Now you'll see my real-life trading session which earned me over $4,000. I'll show you how to work with this strategy which has turned into a working system. My name's Stanley. I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles with a 1-minute time frame. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the MACD and the Parabolic SAR. Let's configure the Parabolic SAR first. Let's set the acceleration to 0.025. Set maximum acceleration to 0.25, and in style, let's change the color to pink and the width to 2, and save. Let's configure the MACD. Let's set the signal period to 5, set the slow period to 20, and let's set the fast period to 10. And we go to Style and disable the histogram. Set the width of the MACD and signal lines to 2 and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and friends, if you trade on your phones, configure everything the same way. First situation, the expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $800. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and how to determine the entry point using it. The first thing to pay attention to is the Parabolic SAR. When the indicator shows a pink dot below the candles, this is the first signal that an uptrend is beginning to form in the market. Such a dot indicates a change in direction and suggests that buyers are beginning to dominate, setting the upward movement. Next confirmation comes from the MACD. Its green line crossed the red line from bottom to top. This is the second and more reliable signal confirming the change in trend to an upward one. Such a crossover shows that the momentum in the market is strengthening and buyer activity is growing. An excellent start. I'm locking in $736 in profit. So I'm continuing at the same pace. Do you want to receive daily analytics and see real trading examples? Then subscribe to my free Telegram channel. We discuss strategies, share experiences, and analyze the market in detail together. And if something is unclear to you after watching this video, just write to me and I'll explain. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and join us. Telegram offers fresh ideas, advice, and a realistic view of trading without unnecessary theory. A new signal has just appeared. Expiration is 2 minutes, and I'm opening a short trade for $1,900. After a brief rise, the market reached a resistance level where the upward momentum lost strength. The candles begin to shorten, the movement slows down, and the first signs of a reversal appear on the chart. At this point, it becomes clear that buyers have weakened and sellers are beginning to actively take the initiative. The pressure from above intensifies and the chart structure takes on a clear downward trend. The candles line up sequentially downward, forming a steady momentum, which confirms the development of a downward scenario. And this situation is typical for a phase change. After a slight growth, the market returns to its main direction. Everything indicates that the downward trend will continue and the decline will develop confidently and steadily. Let's see. Well, an excellent result. There's another $1,748 in profit. The balance is growing steadily. There's an interesting moment forming on the chart. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a long trade for $800. After a short correction, the market confidently resumed its upward movement. The candles are getting longer, the momentum is strengthening, and the chart is once again forming a clear sequence of growth. This behavior indicates that the correction was only a temporary pause before the continuation of the main trend. And the trend looks stable and logical. The movement is developing smoothly without excessive volatility, which confirms the strength of buyers. Both indicators simultaneously point to growth, reinforcing confidence in the correctness of the direction. Right now, the market structure fully supports the upward scenario. The momentum is stable, the energy of the movement is preserved, and all signs indicate that the growth will continue and the trend will strengthen. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a private message on Telegram, and I'll be happy to help you. An excellent result. I got $736 in profit. Moving on. The next signal indicates a decline. The timer is set to 2 minutes, and I'm opening a short trade for $1,300. The chart did show a strong upward momentum, but this growth turned out to be short-lived. The upward energy quickly dried up and the movement changed direction sharply. The candles are pointing downwards, the momentum is accelerating, and the chart structure shows that sellers have completely taken the initiative. This market behavior is typical for false impulses, when a short-term surge in growth is quickly replaced by a steady downward movement. Now the trend looks confident and consistent, with the downward momentum developing steadily, showing no signs of weakening. All signs indicate that the downward direction has once again become dominant and the market continues to move down. The scenario looks logical and the probability of making a profit in this situation is high. And the result is a profit of $1,196. The balance is now at $6,086. Let's sum up. The balance has grown from $1,670 to $6,086. The session went great. The strategy proved itself. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, please don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!